Okay, kind of gone ahead and done a lot of the work over here. It's just arithmetic, but I needed a really picture display to explain it as best I could. A statistics professor plans classes so carefully that the lengths of her classes are uniformly distributed between 48 and 53 minutes. Find the probability that a given class period runs between 50.5 and 51.5. Okay, first of all, they run between 48 and 53. So we've got to find that dimension. So take the larger one and subtract the smaller one, and this side is 5 units. Well, we can refer to it as the length. The width here then has to be 1/5 because the area of the rectangle, remember, is 1. The length is 5, and the width has to be 1/5, and that's what stays consistent. The second thing here is it runs between 50.15 and 51.5. So I have to find this little dimension and the area of this rectangle right in here where the red question mark is. So I do the same thing to find that length. I take the 51.5 and subtract the 50.15, and from here to here, right there's 1.35. The width was 1/5, so I would multiply those to get the area of the little rectangle there. And we got 0.27. Let's see if it's right. It says 3 decimal places. We can put a 0 on it if we want. Okay, well, let's see what's right. Now that I've corrected my problem, I transferred this wrong. That's what I did. 51.5 minus 50.5 is just 1. So that makes it even easier. Between here and here is 1. I think it's because I wrote that in there incorrectly is where the whole problem stems from. So from here to here is 1 unit. And that 1 unit times the 1/5 would be 1/5, and 1/5 as a decimal is 0.20. So let's change our answer over here to just 0.2 or 0.200 or whatever. Now we've got it right. You do always need to learn to proofread and find your mistakes. And I'm good at that.